Hello everybody, I'm back. And we're going to work on my game again. That's gonna be fun. Alright, it's the middle of the week, Wednesday, and I hope people had a good Mondays and Tuesdays. I had a good Tuesday. I went to go see like 3 movies. It was awesome. Let's see now. Click this. And we are in. Alright, so for today we're going to be working on the code for my little volcano boss right here. Look at that little guy. He's so cool. He's so good. Alright, so even though I don't have all the sprites for this particular guy, I can still work on his coding so that he can work somewhat decently. So, oh, I didn't put these away. Let me put them in the scripting folder. Let's go into the boss one script. Excuse me. Let's put some light music in the background. Where are you? There you are. Is that loud enough? Oh, that's pretty low. Ah, who cares? I just want it to be light in the background. Whoa. Hey y'all, hey y'all. I know. And I'm here. Like the storm, I run into the heat of day. I'll fight till the fight is won. I'll save each and every one till this war is won. And I live to rule by the sword, searching through the every inch of the power. As I sit, as I stand, by the table I command my kingdom, a night of the wind. Whoa, hey y'all, welcome to the end is near. I know I will bring you pain and fear on the ground to the sky. Faced at you and I, in a flash, I've gone, holding your crown high. In a race, I'll save each and every one. Alright. Now the first thing I want to do with the first boss, or any boss for that matter, is establish some kind of phasing mechanism. It needs to go into phases so that it's kind of like different coding for different phases. So I'm gonna do it real simple and use an int. Sorry. Actually, yeah, this will be a private int called phase num. Phase number. Yeah, that's good enough. It should always start out as first phase. So that's good. I think I'm gonna put this in update. I might change it and put it in fixed update, but I'm not exactly sure. So basically, the code would be if phase num equals 1, oops, then I do whatever code that's in there. Else, if, oops, hold on, if phase num equals 2, it does whatever that's in there. And then if not, if it's in any other phase, because it's only going to have like 2 phases, but like the phase number 2 is going to be like the in-between phase. If it's in any other phase, then we do whatever's in there. And then, it needs some kind of help. Why is this up? What the heck? Why does everything go so super slow? I think I know why. Freak. Because I put this up to like, what was the resolution? 780 by 438. I think I have to put it down so that I don't have to deal with all the slowness. No turning back when you're born to dream, when you never could reach. That's actually too low. Alright. The other thing I need is health. We'll make another private int. Actually, let's make it public, because I may need to change it on the fly in the inspector. I never calm down, I'm high low, run from a beauty with blades of flame. Let's start with 10. That's fine. So that if he gets hit by the bombs like 5 times, then he transitions into the second phase, and then once his health reaches 0, he's dead. Easy enough. Catch me if you can. So then we can put in update if health equals is less than or equal to 5. Ooh, excuse me. Wait a minute. This is not gonna work. Hold on. Because I only need it to happen once. Just at the emerald, life is a federal. What you gonna do? Nothing's perpetual. World domination and as technology and other inches of the form of glory. Sorry, I was looking at my phone. Okay, well, I can still write this out. So eventually, I'll change this eventually, but this is just an idea. If the health is less than or equal to 5, then the phase number would equal, just to make it exact, we can make it equal to. There's no born to dream, nothing can't be done. Okay, so to double check this, we can do and if phase num equals 1. So if we're in the first phase and his health is dropped to 5 or lower, then he moves on to the second phase, which is the in-between phase. Well, he moves on to transitioning into the second phase, which is phase 2, or phase number 2. And then in phase number 2, after we do all the code for how do you do comments again? Transition into phase 2. He'll be visually transitioning. Maybe I should do that. Visually transition into phase 2. So that'll be coding with the animator and stuff. And then we can do phase num. Actually, I needed to wait for a couple of seconds, actually. But essentially, I want it to equal eventually 3. But let's comment this out, because I don't want that to happen yet. I may have to make a coroutine. We must stand up tall. Let's get. Okay, so the first thing I want is an array. Yeah, an array. Oops. This will be public, I think. No, not public. I want an array of game objects. Why is that not working? Invalid token? Why is that invalid? Oh! Because I didn't make it an int. I'm an idiot. Alright, game object. No, an array of game objects, like I said before, called turrets. Yeah. And then on start, I want them to find those turrets. So, turrets equals, is it find object of type? Find object of type, no, get component in children. Tell me how to lend a hand, I would try to understand. No words can say how much I can. Together we can take a stand. Alright, get component in children. The component will be... What will the component be? Where's the boss? I had to make sure this is in the right order, too. Ooh, excuse me. Excuse me. Actually, as I think about it, I may have to separate it into 2 arrays. Because I wanted to alternate between shooting. Yeah, I may have to do that. I don't think I'm actually going to put any coding into the turrets. Turrets. I can never pronounce that right. So, how the heck am I going to do this? You can call this turrets 1, by the way. Because I'm going to have 2. Don't fall apart. Can I say this dot? What methods do we have? Don't fall apart. Okay, so this is complicated. Let's not actually do that. We can actually make this public and define it in the inspector. It's a lot easier that way. Because I forgot I want this really specific, so if I let the game do that, I might mess something up in the coding. So it's better to do it in the inspector. So we're not going to do anything in start. We might actually have to take this out too, because we don't need it. Got places to go, got to follow my rainbow. Gotta keep moving on. Only one way. Okay, so let's save for now. and go back into Unity so we can define which ones are the turrets and crap. Trusting in what you can't see, take my lead, I'll set you free. Set me free, trust me and we will escape from the city. I'll make it through, follow. Sorry, I was waiting for it to be available. So we need this, we need this. Pretty much every other turret for the first one. Oh wait, hold on, I forgot to lock the inspector. Danger is lurking around every turn. Trust your feelings, got to live and learn. I know with some luck that I'll make it through. Got no other options, only one thing to do. I don't care what lies ahead. No time for guessing, follow my plan instead. Find that next stage, no matter what that may be. Oh, thanks, Damon. Let's see. Yeah. Escape from the city. I'll make it through. Follow, follow me. There we go. Alright, excuse me. That's set up. Prove it to you. Follow me. Alright, I'll make it through. What's the middle of the turret? Is it actually in the middle? Okay, yeah, that might actually be very useful for that. Thank God I did that by accident? Question mark? Not even sure. You know how I get down. You know it's what I'm hitting for. Making most of the town. Big fat thick eyes. That's all I'm about. Pretty little killer. Sorry, I'm reading something. Alright, where was I? So we got the health in the turrets. I can hear your heartbeat racing just... we need to import one more thing in here. But I'm not exactly sure if I already exported it out as a sprites. Because I need the fireballs. Boss enemy man. How you get down? Oh, I should put that. Hold on. I should put that in a folder. She messing with my head. See me dead. She trying to get me in the bed. What? You heard what she said? There we go. Now it's a little bit more organized. Let's get another one in there. Call it Boss 1 Ammo. Now let me check if I exported those things out. I think I did in the last stream. I'm in the wrong place. No, not that. Jeez. Here we go. And the fire should be right there. Yeah, it's small. Whoops. There we go. Oh, right, this is still locked. There we go. can put this to 20, I think. I may have to resize it later. This isn't deving, this is... I don't know what it is. Hey, Mr. Taco, welcome to the stream. And yes, it is deving. I don't know what you're talking about. This is Devin. I'm making a game right here. I was just doing some coding for the boss. I gave it some health. I explained some of the phases that I have to put into it. And I even set up the turrets, too. I still have to do a lot more coding, but I need the ammo first. Point. No quality. Apply. That should be it, right? Yeah, that sounds about right. Alright, this needs to be above everything else. Let's make it 5. Yeah, I guess that's big enough. Is it, like, pixel aligned at least? No, not really. Oh, well, I guess it kind of is. No, not really. Whatever, I don't care. Or do I? I think I do care. This is at 16, this is at 16. Yeah, I'm gonna make it consistent. I think that'll be... make it bigger, though. Ooh, yep, sure is. Sure will make it bigger. Move, come on. Yeah, let's put it back to 20. Because I actually want it to be small. You and I were on the attack. Full speed ahead. Did I just position that in the perfect X? I didn't mean to do that. That was weird. But not a perfect Y, though. Alright, oh, wait, no. I don't want to position this. Restart. Because this is going to be instantiated. So let's make this a prefab. Oh, wait. No, wait. We might want to delete this first. I want to import the whole thing into one game object. The thingy will pop up. I go into animations and call it... Big Fireball. Dun, 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 dun. Because eventually I'm going to make a small fireball for one of the enemies. That's not what I wanted to call. There we go. 5. You and I were on the... Please start with 1. Don't know why it was started with 3. That was weird. Alright, animator, fireball small. Where's the stupid thingy? I think it appeared somewhere. I don't need these anymore. I think I... Yeah, it's in animations. Explosion, fireball. You are next to me and I'm next to you. Push the on through. Oh, wait. I remember what I gotta do. Let's bring this up. Bring up animation. Oh, that's actually perfect. I don't need to do anything. Great. After the fight is on. Perfect. We'll never be. Let me see the sprites again. Oh, I just realized. Might want to put this in here. That's better. Before I say goodbye to you, one more last fist bump. Alright, now that that's set up, I may have to do some code for this, actually. Do I have any projectiles already? No, I don't. I kind of forgot how to do projectiles, but it will come to me. We'll just make this a prefab. And we can delete this, because we don't need it anymore. Alright, back into the boss prefab stuff. Let us make another line. Public game object. Call it ammo. Yeah. Go back in here. Let the stupid thing load up. Still waiting for it to load up. There we go. So that we can bring in big fireball and right here. There we go. Now, obviously that won't work if I play the game. It's just in the script. I actually have to use it. So the majority of the coding is probably going to be in phase number 1 and number 2. But I want it to be separate, so this is not a big-ass block of code. So let's make a new method or something, whatever it's called. This is going to be not public, but void. Call it start phase 1, I guess. I don't know. Now, what do I want it to do while it's doing in phase 1? What I want it to do is shoot fireballs in specific turrets, alternating between 2 sets of them. That's why I made 2 arrays. I may have to make another method, because I need a coroutine. Yeah, I need a coroutine. Void. No, not void. I completely forgot how to do coroutines. Let me go into one of my other scripts, because I know I started a coroutine there. Yeah, here we go. IEnumerator. Gonna need that. Copy. And then I'm gonna need this line of code too. Yield return new wait for seconds. Boop. We'll call this shooting. Yeah, shooting. Right now it has an error because I don't have the yield return wait for seconds crap. So let's put that in right now. I don't know how to spell yield. Return. Yield return new wait for seconds. I think I want him to shoot every 1.5 seconds. So we can hard code that in. You can't have back my destiny. Gotta be lost before I can be found. Drop the guitar. Oh, right. Might want to make it a float too. Chat! Welcome to the stream. You're here in chat. Sweet. Alright, so between this line, there's gonna be like a... what is it called? It's a loop, but I forgot which loop it's called. I'm drawing a blank here. It's not a for each loop. I don't use those loops. I use, Shiznit. I can't remember. Let me look at my other, scripts. Maybe I'll remember if I look at one of them. I definitely have one in multiplayer. Or do I? For loop. I remember now. For loop. I'm an idiot for not remembering what it was, because I said for each. I'm an idiot. Alright, so there's going to be 2 for loops between that line. So... for... I don't know how to spell for. I'm an idiot. I think it's tab. Yeah, there we go. I's fine. Int I. Length, there's 6 turrets in there, so... 5. Right? Yeah. No. Wait. 6? Okay, if I is less than 6, the I would be the indicator, so 0 is 1. Go up to 5. Yeah, it has to be less than 6. Okay. We can make it better. Together we can show the world what we can do. You are next to me and I'm next to you, pushing on through until the battle's won. A breakfast burrito? Believe it or not, I had a breakfast burrito bowl. Having the chamber thing. Between the lines, it's gonna be a I don't know what that is. As long as it's Ominar. High five, dude! Love it. Alright, so, we're gonna go, for the for loop, we're gonna go through each and every turret, and we're going to, instantiate a fireball at that turret. So... instantiate. Completely forgot how this code works. Good thing there's index. World space, vector position. Now a kickback. Alright, so I'm gonna use I think this version, where the object is what is being instantiated, in other words, put into the game world, and at the transform that it's being at. Yeah, I know exactly what I'm saying. So ammo is the thing that we're instantiating at, what did I call it? Turrets number 1 at, whoops, wrong bracket, at the, I index. Yeah, that should work. Argument 2 cannot convert the unity. Oh, ammo.transform, my bad. Wait, no, not ammo.transform, my bad. Turrets I dot transform. There we go. Okay, so this is gonna work, but I just realized another problem that I'm going to have when it comes down to instantiating the fireball. I need to know, the fireball needs to know which turret it's coming out of so that it knows which direction it's going into. I'm gonna have to think about that later. I just need to know if this works first. So let's take this, copy, and paste it onto here. Just change turrets 1 to turrets 2. And then yield. I'm actually gonna copy this too. There we go. Tonight. Sorry I got here late, but what are we programming today? We're programming the boss. Basically. We're programming his like phasing and all that stuff. It's gonna be super grand. Super grand. Oh, I wonder if I can. Hold on, let me see. Let me see if is it in here. Check for winner. Float delay. Okay, so you can do it, but where is it being called? Where are you being called? There you are. Start coroutine. Check for winner, and then the float C delay. Oh, okay. So you can. Oh, okay. I got it. All right, that actually makes things a hell of a lot easier. Let's make a float called delay, because we're gonna need that. I spelled float wrong. I can't spell today. We're gonna replace. We're gonna replace this with delay. So that we can set it every time it gets called in phase 1 and phase 2. Oh, sorry, phase. Well, yeah, phase 2, but the phase number is gonna be 3. Cool. So let's. So in phase 1, we're going to start coroutine, and the coroutine will be this IEnumerator statement. Don't ask me what the hell IEnumerator is. It's a stupid name, and it's very confusing. But once you know what it does, you're pretty much like, oh, IEnumerator. That stupid name. Okay, I'll use that. Shooting. And it's going to take in a float of 1.5 F. We can do the same thing in the other phase too, but just with a different number because it's gonna go faster. So let's make that like 1 second. All right, now like I said, this should work, but the fireballs are not gonna go anywhere. That's fine. We're just testing out if it actually like spits out stuff. So let's go back into the game and run this bad boy. I have an error. Oh, whoops. Forgot to end that there. Simple error. Sometimes people forget. Oh, Shadowfox. Hobie, welcome to the stream. Is it the volcano? Yeah, the volcano is the boss. And I'll do it my way. Alright, so fireball's plugged in, the turret should be plugged in. Yep. Health is 10. Let's start this bad boy. Oh, I really hope this works. Okay. That actually works. Kinda. I think. It's really hard to tell. Let's make a quick script for the fireball. We'll call it motion. Because it's moving. The colors feel so right. Oh, whoops. There's already a script called motion. My bad. Alright, never mind. Let's call it projectile. Because I'm actually going to use it for something else too. Big fireball. Come on, go down. Come on! projectile movement. There we go. Why is this here? What's happening? Delete? Remove? There we go. That was weird. Anyways, let's open up this up. Sure, reload all. I need it to move... Come on, brain, work with me here. Run away. You don't have to stay. Transform that translate. Don't need that. I need speed though. So stay on track. And don't look back. Just feel the pace. Come on now, race. Everybody supersonic racing. Gotta get your feet right on the ground. Transform dot translate. There we go. X is left and right. Let's make it go left. -1. 0, 0. That should work. I don't need this. Because it's going to be a super simple program, the thingy. Wait a minute. That's not right. Hold on. We need a public float speed equals, I don't know, 5. Who cares? Speed times time dot delta time. Oh, that's what I meant to do. Makes this a suffix update because that's gonna matter a lot. Okay, that should work. Although it's gonna go to the right, I think. Now that it's positive, we can change that later. Whew, okay. Oh, dude! Hobie, I'm sorry to hear about that. Yeah, you're among friends now. We can hang out like bros and talk nerdy with the coding of games. And listen to sweet jams. How loud is this anyways? Not that bad. There's no time to look around with your supersonic racing. Alright, let's try this again. Well, that wasn't exactly what I wanted. I know we're wrong. Where's the stupid thingy? There it is. Oh, I like the song. Alright, I know we're wrong. So since it's an update, it's gonna constantly do this because because the condition is always right. What I needed to do is okay. Got it. We're gonna need a couple of variables. A boolean. This is gonna be private. Called stop repeating 1. this will be equal false by default. Ooh, excuse me, sorry. And then if phase 1 and stop repeating 1 does not equal true, then it'll start this, and then at the end of all this, it'll say... Hold on. Not sure if that's the way to go, actually. Always shining there in your heart. Actually, yeah. I just have to put it... at the top? Stop repeating 1 equals true. Let me test this out. By theory, it should only happen once, which is a good step to from doing it millions of times. But it's not exactly what I want. But I'm gonna test it out anyways. Wow, it's still doing it. I honestly don't know how did that happen? That's weird. Let me make it explicit, because maybe I did something wrong here. Equals false. Have not lost a thing, whatever may come. The light of hope is always shining there in your heart. Oh, it's still doing it. What the heck? Alright. When all fails, this is what debugging is for. Why did that come up? Debug.log. I'm shooting. Alright, now I gotta... This will help me determine where the repeating is coming from. It's something special. What do you mean by this? Oh, did I not... Do I never use this? Is this player controller? I'm pretty sure... Oh, because of that. Well, I can comment it out. Whatever may come, the light of hope. What was the other thing? Audio manager. I can leave that be, because I am going to use the audio manager for the player later on. I didn't save. Whatever may come, the light of hope is here. Oh, I messed up the lyrics. Well, that's weird. The comment only comes up once, which is very weird. That means that the code... So like I predicted, the code in phase 1 is only happening once. Yet, it's still shooting out so many fireballs. So what gives? Inviting to death do us part. Prepare the weapons without down the seconds, 'cause there's no use in wasting borrowed time. And we'll be the mavens without hesitation to take over this place and save tonight. Alright, so let's take this debug, because I know that from there it's only doing it once. It might be doing it multiple times in enumerator, but it shouldn't be doing that. Which confuses the hell out of me. Yep, there it is. It's in the I enumerator. For some reason, that's repeating so much. I have no idea why. Also... Oh, okay. They're being in there. Okay, that makes sense. Wait a minute. Isn't there a way to make it so that they're not apparent to that? I think it's in player controller or multiplayer controller. Hold on a sec. Let me fix one problem before I fix another. Instantiate player 3 spawn point quaternion.identity. Oh, did I not do that? Does that matter? Yeah, I think it does matter. Let me put that in there. Oh, I don't have to do that. Okay, that's fine. Let's see, multiplayer, There was a way to instantiate a game object onto another game object without making it child to that parent object. Which is a minor thing, but it kind of annoys me. Maybe I should just focus on fixing the first problem. Let's focus on that first. Why is this repeating? I think it's this statement here. So let me double check. If phase number equals 3. Oh. Oh, I'm an idiot. I think I effed up. I actually did not meant to put it in there. I actually meant to put it here. But I don't think that actually matters, though. Am I having fun? Oh yeah, I'm having a lot of fun. I freaking love making games, no matter how stressful it is. Can't make music? Oh. Don't give up, dude. What? You're not stressing me out. Don't worry, dude. Love the fact that you guys are here. So I gotta figure out why that's repeating so much. I did change something. Let me actually test that out. I'm just here quietly observing. Oh, excuse me. Oh! Oh, I got it! Oh, shoot! Okay, it was that line of code. Okay, cool. I don't have to change anything. Sweet. Also, since I figured out the whole time thing on here, I don't think I need this right here. Kind of useless. Sweet. Alright, so now it only shoots out once, which is kind of bad because I wanted to shoot out a couple times. But that could be rectified when I do this. Stop repeating equals false. Alright, just waiting for Unity to refresh everything. And then I'll press play. Hey, it works! Yeah! I did it! Yeah! Alright, there's one thing I want to change a little bit. When it first starts out, I want it to yield hold on. I could actually just move this X, put it right up there. That way it will, when it first starts the room, it won't be automatically shooting right then and there. It'll just wait for a little bit and then start shooting. See? Sweet. That is awesome. I didn't think I'd get that right on the first try. First try! Alright, so now comes the main problem here, which I may have an idea of how to fix it. No, that's not gonna work. I mean, it could have worked if I set up everything right. Actually, okay, I got it. I got it exactly. I know exactly what to do. Watch this, guys! I'm about to blow your minds. But it's gonna take a while, so just bear with me. Spawn point left one left? Sure, whatever. Please work with me here. Alright, so what's X? X is the red thing, so this is the positive area. I want this red arrow to point to the left. So here's what we're going to do. We are going to rotate it on its Z axis so that it's pointing that way. And then we're going to copy and paste. That's not what I want. Oh, okay. Plan B. Copy component. Make an empty. Paste component values. Call this spawn point. Okay, point left 2. Alright, so I'm just gonna do the same thing with everything else. So this next part is gonna be kind of annoying. So I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy the music while I do this. Okay, but if my mind is not blown, God help you. Don't worry, your minds will be blown in a minute. Once I finish all this. The unknown, finish wild temptation into the free and started me into the ever knowing. Felt so constrained, felt so ashamed, but now I'm breaking out and I am free. Actually, I might not need the spawn points for these ones on the right. So I'm going to just delete those, skip the whole right thing, and just go to the bottom. Alright, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to remap the turrets reference over here by putting in their spawn points instead of the actual turrets itself. Except for the right ones. They're fine. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this, then this. Nope, that's not what I'm going to do. That, then that, then that. Skip this, and then that, and then that. Skip this one, and then that. And then for this one, I'm gonna do this, skip that, and this, skip that one, and this, skip that, skip that, skip that. Perfect. Now, if I did that right, everything should work. And I'm gonna squeal like a little girl if it does. So get ready those ears. Mouse, hello, thank you. Oh, there we go. Oh, please work. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yes. Yes, this is what I want. This is what I want. Yes. Guys, it's working. Oh my god. This is great. This is so good. Alright. One more thing I want to do. I need to give the big fireball... Whoops. Oh, whoops. What did I do? Alright, so the next thing I want to do is give the big fireball a trigger so that it can detect whether it's whether it's touched the wall or not. Because if it did touch the wall, then it will dissipate, basically. Destroy itself. So let's... What am I looking for? I'm looking for Physics 2D. Box slide is fine. Make this a trigger. That's important. Oh, and I need to configure how big the trigger is. Do I need some time alone? Maybe. Congrats, thank you, man. Thank you. I'd like to thank the Academy and everyone who was involved, and myself. Edit collider. Oh wait, no. I don't need to edit it. I just need to size it. Duh. Five's good. We don't need it to be too big. No. Actually, 5 is too small. Let's make it, what was it at? 8? Let's make it 6. Yeah, that's perfect. Alright, delete that. Let's go into the projectile movement script. In not fix update. In yeah. Hold on. Okay, it's not public. Okay, so where the heck am I? Okay, here we go. Void on trigger enter. 2D. Collider 2D. Other. Hold on, I need to go back to here, because I actually don't know what the name of the wall is in game space. Let's go to grid. Because I definitely do have a tile, but I don't know composite collider. Oh, that might be a problem. Cause, hold on, let me look into a script for a sec. It's under, I think it's under menu script. Like an idiot I am, naming stuff. Oh, no, wait, no, not menu script. Map Destroyer. Wall tile. Wait. Where is that at? Is that under Game Manager? No, it's not. Where the heck is it? Grid? Grid. Wall tile. Where's that at? Oh, right here. Oh, interesting. Okay. I think if that's used correctly, then maybe I can use that the same way Map Destroyer did. Tile. But I have to derive from tile maps, which is kind of annoying. I think it's better to Okay, I made this a singleton, so I could just reference the map destroyer itself. Yeah, it could be like if how does does that work? Shiznit. No, I don't think that's gonna work. Wow, this is What do you do to help? Stand there and look pretty. I'm kidding. You could just like, I don't know, just hang out, converse and whatever. I don't know. Shiznit. This is the first time me actually messing around with tile map coding, because it's kind of new to Unity, so I never really actually delved into tile map stuff. So I'm gonna have to think about this for a second. Yeah, earn some potato points. That's a good idea. Let me look in. So on trigger, enter 2D, collider 2D, other. Okay, so let me test something out. If other dot if other dot get component map destroyer dot no, that's not gonna work. Or is it? Wait, how has it worked in map destroyer? This is so weird. Instantiate explosion prefab. Random pickup. This is quite complicated. Let me see the bomb script. Map destroyer dot explode. Transform dot position. No, that doesn't help. Damn, this is hard. What are potato points and how can I get some? You can earn potato points are basically my currency in my stream. You can get them by just watching my stream, or you can gamble on the ones that you already have using the little widget on the actual stream, on the overlay of the stream. It should be at the bottom right, but not too far on the bottom right. You'll see it's an overlay on the actual screen of the stream. If you're doing this on mobile, I don't know where it is, but if you're watching this on your laptop or your desktop, then it should be where I said. I told the witch doctor you didn't love me true. I told the witch doctor you didn't love me nice. And then the witch doctor that gave me this advice. Ow, ooh, ee, ah, ah, ting tang, wah, wah, bing bang. Ooh, ee, ah, ah, ting tang, wah, wah, bing bang. You know what? I don't think I have to make this specific. I mean, I want to, but like, I want it to, when it hits the wall, to destroy itself. I don't want it to interact with the destroyable object. But I kinda have no choice. Kind of. How does bomb do it? Where is boom called? Right here. Oh, that doesn't help. That does not help at all. Oh, yeah, that's only for, like, exploding the stupid thing. Shiznit. I guess if eventually, if I want to actually explode the thing. No, I don't want to do that. Yeah. I might just do it the lazy way. I'll just do this. If other dot tag equals... I never tagged it. Let's give it a tag called... let's call it, walls, I guess? I don't know. Yeah, walls. Good enough. Lights, camera, action. This. Walls. Destroy dot... no, not dot. Destroy game object. Oops! That's not what I meant to do. Lowercase g. Alright, so that should work. Nani? Oh! I just realized that's not gonna work. Because the grid needs a rigid body for that to work. And it makes no sense to give the grid a rigid body. Oh boy. Oh, this is a lot harder than I expected. I didn't expect this. I have no idea what to do. Oh no! This is bad. I mean, could I give it a rigid body? Let me test that out. Rigid body 2D. Move this up. This is gonna be static? Static. Try that. Cool! That doesn't work. Kinematic. Collision detection, continuous. Dynamic? Question mark? Huh. Okay, maybe I need to get a rigid body to the, move. To the fireball. Where's the fireball? That's the fireball! There it is. Okay, that's not working either. Interesting. I should have paid more attention in computer class. Yeah, maybe you should. You could have learned a thing from Mr. Luciano. That would have been so freaking cool. Seriously though, you should have taken Luciano's class. It would have been so freaking cool. This class is awesome. If it's something you still want to learn, you can always start. Yeah, there's like so many good tutorials out there. And so many programs that you can start learning coding and stuff. Really, I'd really encourage it. Coding is fun, at least to me. This is a problem. It's not detecting the wall, which is bad. I don't know why that is. Can we make this kinematic and maybe it work? Heroes are aching and be grown impatient, cause they only have to wait this cock awry. And will be the Masons will have hesitation to take over this place and say tonight, I won't let go of what we need. Alright, so the player has a rigid body and colliders. Let me check to see if an explosion has a rigid body. It doesn't. It just has a collider. And it's a trigger. So... what the fuck is the problem? This is a war we're declaring. Resistance is only the start. Time to get into some action. I had this problem before, and it really annoys me. Waka waka waka. Paddle weapons are that down the seconds, cause there's no use in wasting borrowed time. And we'll be the mavens without hesitation to take over this place and save tonight. Oh, it has to have mass. Okay, well, whatever. Of what we need. All I want's you to set me free. Holding on a chance to see the lies beyond infinity. Ugh! This is such a problem. Oh! Oh! I'm an idiot. I tagged the wrong thing. That should work. I tagged the wrong thing like an idiot. My bad, guys. Crisis over. I probably don't need this rigid body. Let me copy this component, though, and just, like, remove it. Just in case. Okay. Yeah, I might need the rigid body. No, stop. Paste component is new. Move up. I generally like to keep the rigid bodies and the colliders up high with, like the sprite renderer and crap. So let me do that. Yeah, that should work. Let's try that again. Boom, baby! Did it! really don't like that it does it for all of them, but what you gonna do? Geometry type outlines, generation types, synchronous, penis. So then, how does it know? Does it plug in? Hold on, map destroyer. The wall tile, the tile of. Hold on a sec. I guess it's a reference from the wall tile directly from the grid. Oh. But then what does that reference? What is that used for? Oh, for everything else, I guess. Right, yeah, that makes sense. Or does it? Well, I could still use that for the destructible thing, because this whole thing could just be for the destructible tile, not necessarily the wall. Wow. So the tutorial I followed wasn't really looking forward into the future for this. Then again, I guess they weren't expecting for anybody to make a full Bomberman game using the tutorial. But essentially, here's what I'm thinking. Essentially, I can actually split this tile gameplay into two. One with just the destructible tiles, and one with just the walls. Maybe have to move around a little bit of coding. Tag the one with just the wall as walls. And then so that the fireball can go straight through the destructible tile and only hit the wall. That's the theory. And it should work. But I'm not sure if it's actually worth it to do that. It wouldn't take long, but I just don't want to mess anything up. So I think to really know my decision on that is to actually test the game out. So let's do one more thing with the fireball. No, not the fireball, the player. Go to the player controller. And make it so that if it gets hit by the fireball, he will die. So that's going to be in on trigger enter 2D. Yeah, here we go. If the tag is enemy or if the tag is explosion, dead, all that stuff. Yep. One thing I forgot to do is tag the big fireball. So let's add another tag. Give it. Actually, we can give it the explosion. No. Wait. No, that doesn't work. Okay, so yeah, we can give it the explosion tag. Explosion. Because, really, it just does the same thing as the explosion does. In fact, it does exactly what I want the explosion to do. I want it to, when it hits the player and the bomb, it blows up the bomb, and it kills the player too. So, with just a change of the tag, I don't have to change any code. So, that should theoretically work. Let's test it out. Oh my god, what's happening? Null reference? Object reference not set to an instance of an object. Nani? The audio manager? The audio manager should be... Oh, I copied this thing before I did the audio manager? No, I didn't. I did the audio manager before I did all the boss stuff. Why doesn't this have the audio manager? Oh, I know why. I know exactly why. Alright. Easy fix. Put it there. Actually, let's put it on top, so I can remember that it's there, and then delete it before I connect the scene with the rest of the game. Alright, let's try it out. That shouldn't happen again. There we go. Kill me! Ah! Sweet! That's exactly what I wanted. Alright, now let's put down a bomb to see if it explodes it. Oh, too early. That was my fault. Bam. Bam. Right here. It did it! That's exactly what I wanted to do. Sweet! Nice! Although, I just realized I want it to be destroyed when it hits the player. No, when it hits the bomb. And the player? Do I want it to be destroyed when it hits the player? I don't think so. Because once it hits the player, he's dead. It's gone. Yeah, the fire can just like go through him. It'll be like a blaze. But I do want it to disappear when it hits the bomb. So here's what we're gonna do. What's the bomb tagged? Oh, bomb. Well, that makes it easy. So let's go into projectile movement. On trigger enter if other dot tag equals walls destroy. So we can say or other dot tag equals bomb. Then it destroys itself. Perfect. Let's take a dive in aquatic mines. Once was a cold pit, but now it's a water ride. Get to shine with the foes all the time. They're not gonna do it. They always stay out of line. Okay, so it still explodes that. That's actually quite useful. Okay, good. It exploded. Sore beats fighting with the foes all the time, but I gotta do it. They always stay out of line. Sometimes I wanna just chill and lamp, but I'm the protector of the emeralds and gems. The experiment has gone rogue. Sure has. Alright, so I think the next thing we're gonna do is have it so that it loses health every time it gets bombed. So I think I need a coroutine for this. Oh, wait. I actually need to give it a collider first. It has no collider. It kinda needs a collider. Cause you're playing with the winner. Box collider 2D. Here we go. Move that bad boy up. It might need a rigid body too, but I'm not exactly sure. Trigger. Let's make that small, like 2.8. 7. 2.7. More and more. No one stops Knuckles' feet. K-L-U-C-K-L-E-S. Reborn from the lifetime at Angel Island. The soon to be detect master emerald diamond. Hold the climbing. The sister signing. Is this the way? The path I chose? Where I'm in Marina and the heart so cold. Oh. I just realized something. Let me play this again. I think the player can walk through, the boss right now, which I actually do not want. Did I die? Oops. I'm good at this game, I swear. Interesting, I did die. Why did I die? Oh, because he's considered an enemy. Okay, so that's already done. Cool. So if the player gets too close to the boss, then he dies. Let me see if that's actually close enough. Won't be fighting now, stand up to... Yep, that's close enough. Alright, cool. Didn't think that would actually work too. Let me record my progress as this is going on. Because I don't want to forget all this. Something's calling, but I don't know what. Something's talking, but I don't know who. Something's calling me more and more. No one stops Knuckles' feet. Alright, so let us log this in. Today's the 1st of August. I have no such things as weak spots. Alright, made first phase. No, not made. Coded first phase of first boss. Made fireball projectiles. I was born like this, to fear no one. That's about it that I've done so far. My feet is like fire. Hey guys, I'm going to go for the night. Oh, okay. I'll see you guys later. Alrighty, Mr. Taco, see you later. Thanks for stopping by and hanging out with the volcano crew. Nah, the trickster crew, the potato crew, whatever you want to call it. It's all kind of crews. Alright, what was I doing? Right, I needed to collider stuff. Void on trigger enter 2D collider 2D other if wait a minute, does the explosion have a tag? Oh, it does have a tag. I can't make it. Okay, so I'm gonna have to make oh, that's a bit of a problem. I'm gonna have to make the fireball a different tag, because if I keep it an explosion and say that, well, it gets hurt by explosions, then it's gonna get hurt by its own projectile, and I don't want that. So we're gonna have to make another tag, like I proposed before. Fireball. Fireball. Which is a damn shame, because I have to go into coding and change the player controller right here and say, it's not that much actually. Other dot tag equals what was it again? Fireball. And then in BOM, I do the same somewhere. On trigger enter 2D. Here we go. the fireball. Done. Boss. Alright, so now if other dot tag equals explosion. That's not how you spell it. That's how you spell it, right? Explosion. I gotta get it exactly right or else it won't work. Alright. So if other dot tag equals explosion, I want it to lose health, but I also want it to turn off its collider so it doesn't get continuous health damage. But it's only turned off for about like a second, or maybe like half a second. However long the stupid explosion is, the initial explosion is. Let me actually check that out. Explosion. Into oblivion. Where's the clip? Doesn't it have an animator? There it is. Explosion 0, whatever that is. Can I see that, please? No, that's the animator. I need the clip. Here it is. It's about... it's sampling 12 frames a second, so... yeah, just over half a second. That's good to know. Alright, so... health... minus equals... which basically just means health equals health minus whatever number you put in. For this instance, let's say 1. So then now I need it to turn off its freaking drawing a blank. Collider 2D. But I need that in a coroutine because I need it to wait for a couple of seconds. So let's do enumerator. Thank you. Call it let's call it flash. Float delay. I need a reference to his 2D collider, so... oh, I do need to start. Or do I want to... do I need to start? Or do I... can I just... I think I could just do GameObject dot... yeah, I think I can just do that. GameObject dot... collider 2D dot set act enable. What? Why doesn't that work? Oh, because we can't enable it. Well, that's... how do you turn it off then? There's got to be a way to turn off colliders. Oh wait, yeah, you can't enable it. Checkbox right here. I'm an idiot. Guys, I'm an idiot. I'm such a dumbass. Maybe I spelled it wrong. Maybe I'm looking for GameObject.box. No? Dot set enable. Oh boy, this is gonna annoy me. Alright, well, I don't know how to do it that way, so let's just reference it anyways. We're gonna need start, because I wanted to do it automatically. As soon as it's the game starts. We need a private collider 2D box collider. The box collider? Why is that not working? Oh. I know exactly why. I forget those two. Alright, box collider equals game object dot collider 2D. Game object dot collider 2D is obsolete. Property collider 2D has been deprecated. Use get component. Oh, that's annoying. Okay, fine. Get component box collider 2D. Now down here I can say box collider dot enabled, there we go, equals false. Now then we do yield, that's not how you spell yield, return new, wait for seconds, delay. And then this again. But true. There we go. The only problem with this is that that means the player can go into the boss around that time that its collider is off. But that's fine because once it turns back on, the player will die. If he's still in the boss. Wanna ever see the end? Start coroutine flash with 0.7 F. There we go. That should work. One more thing, if health is less than or equal to 0, for now we're just going to destroy it. Let's do a comment saying defeated animation. Well, for now we're just going to destroy it. Destroy game object. Oh, and just in case, return. Because we don't need any other wow! Spell return, please. We don't need any other code happening. Just in case. Alright, so essentially, I think we've coded the boss. But let's test it out and make sure. once Unity wants to work with me. There we go. Well, there's an error here. No reference exception not sent to an object. Unity editor graph edge wake up. Okay, that's just a glitch. We don't care about that. Clear. Yeah, that's usually what happens when Unity is on for too long. Sometimes it gets an error of a null exception that I can't really do anything about. So I just ignore it. Alright, boss, time for you to go down! Oh, I almost got dead. Oh, I have no way of monitoring his health. Let me go to the boss and see his health. It's at 10. Is that right? No, that's not right. Hold on. Right. So, I think it needs a rigid body. Did I give it a rigid body to the big fireball? Yeah, I did. The boss may need a rigid body. Rigid body 2D. I really don't like the rigid body in this, in Unity. Because the physics to it is really weird. And it's really hard to customize. Without making it weird. It's just weird. I don't want it to have any gravity. His collide is a trigger, so I don't really have to freeze his rotation or anything like that. Because it's not going to move. It's just going to be there. In fact, I think I could just make it kinematic. I really hope that works. Guys, I killed the boss. What the heck happened? Oh, damn it. Okay, so since it's tagged an enemy, it behaves like an enemy. It immediately gets destroyed, which I don't want. I need to tag it as a boss, and then re-tag everything else to... Oh my god, this is going to be annoying. Okay, no problem. I can do it. Tags are annoying. I already have a boss tag. Sweet. I already seen this coming. Thanks, future past me. Okay, so let's go back to the player. What am I looking for? Wait, no. Back up. Go back up. What's this trigger? Where the heck is it? Lay bombs on... Oh, here we go. On collision enter, on trigger enter. Here we go. If other dot tag is enemy, or explosion, or fireball, or... boss. Man, that's annoying. Yeah. That should be good. Hey, it worked! He's at 9 health now. He's at 6. Five. Oops! Oh, wait. I don't think I can fully test them out, because I don't think I made it so that it goes into phase... what was it? 3? Yeah, phase 3. Or phase number 3. So if it's lower than 5 and the phase number is 1, it will go into phase 2. Right, so it actually should do nothing once it reaches 5 health, I think. Oops. Too far. Oh, that's another problem, actually. I have to make it so that when I do kick the bomb into the boss, it stops right there. Could I... let me test something out here. Oh, that works. Okay, so I don't have to make it a trigger. That's perfect. But does this work? Yep, it does. Okay, cool. Already fixed it. Good. Oh, wait, but I did it in play mode. I need to do it in actual mode. Turn this off. So how many bombs does it take to kill the boss? Essentially 10. For now. I might lower it, I might higher it. It depends on how hard I want it to be. Yeah, so since he has 10 health, and each bomb blows up 1 health, you need like 10 bombs to kill him. He's at 8. Oops! I swear I'm good at this game. Mic is too close to me. I need some room to work with. Oh, freak! I swear! This is easy for me. It's super easy. I got this. I got this. I got this, guys. Guys, I got this. Guys. I got this. I'm an idiot. Ooh, that was close. Ah! Oh my god. This is so embarrassing. No, it's not. It's not really embarrassing. I mean, come on. Name one game developer that is the master at his own game. Whoops. Name one developer that's actually decent at their game. Not gonna look back cause I don't wanna see. Not gonna worry who is gaining on me. Race to win, race to win, race to win. Dang it, I didn't want you to say Miyamoto. God damn it. I know how he's so good with, what character does he use? Oh! Hey, hey CN, welcome to the stream. Alright, 6. And then 5. It's still doing its thing for some weird reason. Okay, now it stopped. I think it's because it was in the middle of doing its routine. Interesting. So then this shouldn't do anything. Okay, cool. Alright, so far we got everything done. We just got to do... Alright, here's what I'm going to do. This is temporary. For the second phase, we are going to have a temporary float. Float? No, int. Float? Yeah, float. Called temp delay. And make it equal to 2. And then have it, sorry, damn it, hold on. There we go. The variable temp delay is assigned, but its value is... Oh, I'm about to use it. Come on, game. Stop being a dick. Temp delay minus equals... No, that's not what I meant to do. Minus equals time dot delta time. This is still fixed update, right? No, this is regular update. Ah, dang it. You know what? That's fine. I'm not going for exact. And it'll be like, if temp delay is less than or equal to 0, oops, then change the phase number. That should work. That's like a temporary way of counting down things. It's not really ideal. I'd rather use start coroutine. But if I'm only doing a countdown in an update or fixed update, I'll use that method. And since I don't really have animations for the volcano right now, this is the only way to determine how or when he changes phases. Ow! Ooh, that hurt. Oh, I hit my hand. Alright, what health is it at right now? 7. Oh no! Ooh, I almost messed up. Oh, I know what the problem is. I put it in the wrong spot. That was my fault. Or did I? I'm not even sure. Actually, that's actually not gonna work. I'll just put this down. So as soon as it enters phase 2, it'll just go into phase 3. That is fine. I guess. Or I can make a quick coroutine. Actually, yeah, let's do that. Enumerator, because I am going to use it, so I might as well make it. Transition. That's not what I want to do. Float. Delay. You. Paste this here. I actually want to copy this too and put it here because that's where I want the visual transition to happen. Visual transition and then yield. I spelled yield wrong again. Yield return. Oh, that's not how you spell it? Wait. I'm so confused. Yield return. Return. Okay, there we go. New. Wait for seconds. Delay. And then right in here we do start coroutine. When I name it transition. Transition. And then the delay would be about 2 seconds. Okay, that should work. So it should, I think it should stop shooting for a little bit. And then it'll transition into phase 3 where it'll shoot faster. Did I already set that up? Where is it? There it is. In phase 1, where's phase 1? Phase 1's right here. It'll shoot every 1.5 seconds. In phase 3, it'll only shoot every 1 second. So yeah, it's a little faster. Might want to make this 2.5. What time is it? 10:42. Oh my god, I gotta end this soon. What am I working on? It's basically making a Bomberman clone. Yep, that's exactly what I'm doing. Making a Bomberman clone. This will be my first full game. And I say full with quotation marks because I'm only going to make one boss and I'm going to release it. If I ever decide to make more levels... No, if there's enough fans who like the game, then I'll probably add more levels. And then at some point, if it's like really big, I'll make a multiplayer... online multiplayer, I guess? I don't know. I doubt it'll be that big, but I just wanted to get done with my first game. Because it's almost done. And it's kind of fun. Play with your friends. Multiplayer is on. Uh-oh. I think I forgot to do something. Can't stop this. Oh, right. Stop repeating. Duh. Yeah, we can make it if we all stick together. We won't give up, not ever. Everything's gonna be alright. We all bring out the best things in each other. Together we are stronger than anyone else could be on their own. So much better than alone. giving us greater speed. That should work. It wouldn't do that again. That was a little test there. Now it's blown all of his steam out. It's not angry anymore. He's good to go. Six and 5. It's still doing it. Why is it still doing it? I know why. Actually, I don't know why. Oh, right. That was the whole main point. My bad. This time it won't do it. Anyways. We'll bring out the best things in each other. Together we are stronger than anyone else could be on their own. Can't stop us, just together we are strong. Oh, freak. I didn't meant to do that. That was my fault. Ba-na-na-na-na, ba-na-na-na-na-na-na, ba-na-na-na-na-na, ba-na-na-na. I can't do this alone, even though I'm strong. Need something more than me, someone to push me to victory. Let's see what we can do together, me and you. Don't be afraid to try. Kiss your fears goodbye, no looking back. You and I were off the attack, full speed ahead, right into the sunset. Such a both of us believing we can make it better. Dun, 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 dun. Nani? What is up? Did everything exactly right? So, what the heck? Or... I'm 100% on it, nothing less. Oh! Pfft. I swear that was the last mistake. Let's test it one more goddamn time. Come on, man! Well, what's better with the soul and a big plate? Just a bigger plate. Alrighty. What the heck did I do wrong now? Oh my god. Who's the man? Who's the man? Who's the one I can? Since I was born, I've been training just to take a stand. I'm a Sonic Mania maniac. Alright, so false, then it becomes true, so it plays that. It shouldn't play again. It doesn't become true again, so what's happening here? This works, but this doesn't work. Why? I'm so confused. False. Oh! Because I put it in the wrong goddamn place. Wait a minute. If... yeah. Interesting. It has to be false. So what if it's only true for about... wait. Confusion. Okay, so I think we only need one repeating. That's the thing. I was digging up something else, because, alright, so this should work, because I was, thinking of something totally different. I was thinking of an old method, but, I forgot I went another method. Alright, so this should work. I can't resist, but that's what it takes to be infinite. So look around you and tell me what you really see. Cyan, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the Trickster crew and the Potato crew. Alright, so... alright, it's working! Because it's going faster now with this phase. Now let's try to kill it. Oh, what? Ooh, that was close. We did it! We killed the boss! Yay! Celebration! Celebrate! Celebrate! Yeah! Celebrate! Yeah! We did it! Alright, so now we kind of need like a game over kind of thing. Like a you win kind of thing. It's similar to like when you enter the goal. I think it's under player? Bomb, enemy, explosion. No, it's not. Where is it under? Audio bomb, boss, destroy, enemy controller. Goal portal. Here we go. Yeah, you... okay, so menu script. This is what I need. Copy. Where's the boss? Here we go. Lights, camera, action. It goes electric, baby, when I turn it on. Cause I got that sunshine in my pocket, it's soul in my feet. Under the nights, and memory goes. Oh wait, that should work, right? Yeah, it should work. Cause it gets destroyed afterwards. So if health equals 0, we can put down this. Nah, actually, I want it to happen after it gets destroyed. Do I? Yeah. I think that works. Yeah, that should work. So basically, after the boss is defeated, the you win menu pops up, and you can click to the next or to the menu. Both of them takes you to the main menu because I haven't made any level after this one. So after I test that, I have to do a couple more things in the build settings, and then we're done for today. When I kick my eyes off of it, moving so phenomenally, Momo at the way we rock it. So don't stop under the nights, and melody goes. Don't make my high man getting you close. When you move, well you already know. Just imagine, just not, can't stop the feeling. But you dance, it could creeping up on you, so just dance. Oh, no! I died. Ain't nobody leaving soon, so keep dancing. Everybody sing it. Got this feeling in my body. Alright. That was weird. Supersonic warrior, the power energy inside. Supersonic warrior. What? How did I die? Oh, I must have been too much on the edge. That was my fault. Supersonic warrior. Sonic warrior. Nothing can survive, and you can be alive. Working on my own project. It's gonna be a quick video on IGTV. Sweet! I can't wait to watch it. Will it be out today? Nothing can survive. You can do anything. Alright, 4, 3. Oh my god. It's hard to work on my fingers on the keyboard. I think it will make me easy on the controller, but I don't feel like using it. Yep, sweet. Let me know when it's out on Discord. Excuse me, because I'll be ending this soon. Once I can defeat this guy. Come on now, race! Everybody supersonic racing. Oh, come on! That was way too close. Oh, but that gives me an idea, though. Did that hurt him? Oh, I didn't even look. It didn't. It didn't even reach him. Damn it. That reached him. Bang, 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 bang. Oh. Oh no. Okay, so that killed him because there was 2 explosions under him. Also, I may need to delay when that comes up. Which is fine. It's good for now. I just need to change a few things with the build settings. Because I actually want to add this to the build. Not the build settings. The menu settings. It's under Game Manager. Oh, I can take this off now. Game Manager, menu script. Here we go. Now, under next level. Is it next level? I can't remember. Yeah, maybe? Yeah, here we go. If the active scene index equals 9, you load the main menu. Let's make it 10 because we're going to add another scene to that. So we're going to save this, go back to the game, go to build settings. Once it lets me go down. Add open scene, and boss level is now scene 10 index anyways. I'm gonna quickly test that out by going to the main menu. Yes, save. Actually save everything. And then playing this. Start game. I should really make a debug mode where I can just press a button and go to the next stage. I'm a good developer, guys. Very efficient. Oops. Didn't think of that one through. We've got to make it real. Oh! I'm an idiot. I'm sorry, guys. Damn it! We've got to make it real. Got to make it real. Sorry, I choked on my own saliva. Disgusting. You're the one I can depend on. No one else in there it right. Cause we're not ending up without a fight. Work it out, work it out. Work it out, work it out. Talk about it. Work it out. Work it out. Think it happened. Let's work it out. Work it out. You got to make it real. 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 Got to make it. Alright, this is the last stage before the boss. Oh, work it out. Oh, work it out. Oh, work it out. Oh! Ah! Oh, work it out. Oh, work it out. Alright, boss! Here we go. Okay, so it works. It goes right into the boss. That's great. And then if I test it out, if, whoops. I think I might make it so that if, if the fireball hits the explosion, it also disappears. Like the fireball, not the explosion. Sweet. So if I press next or main menu, it'll go to the main menu. Perfect. Alright. We did it, guys. We made the mother freaking boss. We made the mother freaking boss. Let me save everything. Oh, wait. No, I don't save anything here. Oh wait, yeah I do. It's right here. Whatever. It's already saved. Oh yeah. We made the first boss, bitches. We just have to make, well, I just have to make the animation for the boss itself. But I can do that anytime outside of stream time. I'm not gonna do it tonight because it's already late. I'm actually probably just gonna play a game. Let's be honest. Let's be honest. Let's be honest. So yeah, thank you everyone for watching. Glad you came by and see me make a game. It's almost done. All I have to do is make one more enemy type, make some animations, tweak some specific things for better user experience, and I should be able to release it. Not sure when that's gonna be. Probably next week. Yeah, it feels like a next week release. But yeah. Other than that, that's all I have to do. That's it, guys. Thank you guys for coming by, and until next time, don't forget to make magic. It's coming along good. Thanks, Trap. Bye, guys.